Kati, unsa kati.
Gusto mo mga tindog sa gawak tumbling.
Ay! Isong.
Sorry.
Hello, Wonder Pets. What's up, madlang people? Welcome back to my vlog. Ngayon po, mag-vlog po tayo ulit, guys. OMG. So, karon guys, kayo mag-ato ta sa African Lion Safari. Tapos, mag-watch mo kitog animals. Okay, see you!
First time po lang makano dre.
Makagay na night train.
Na night train. Taas ba kayo na eh?
Yeah?
Pwede pa ka mangingi.
So guys, mag-cross me sa train track na lang. Guys, tinudyo na yung mga makita sa horror movies, guys. Nagagumay lang ang mga gaagi na sakyanan. O, tanawa guys, so kami lang kilalang sakyanan yung makitaan. Okay guys, nandito na tayo ngayon, guys. O, ano pang sampalo ng mga lion dere, guys. Charot.
Sangskan.
So, nandito na kami. 10 pa daw sila mag-open.
Count
So,
na tayo.
mangita sa aming breakfast. So, magsakyanan lang pala. Dili magpalapit sa tuang kuan. Paano mo? Pudugas-gas yung sakyanan.
Ay.
Lungkot.
Pamambal.
Ngayon guys ay nandito na kami. Kakain kami dito guys. Maghanap kami ng pagkain. Where the go? Pizza. Swimming dito.
Water safari.
So, nag-jacket mi guys, lang lamig ka. Naan namin dito sila ang water park. Tapos maglibot mi guys, kaya ito na mi sa first na ano. Pero ambot ba si close pa po siya. Mata mi sa Parrot Paradise. Wala pa mga parrot. Wala pa sila. Safari Barbecue! Dito na kami ngayon sa Parrot presentation. Parrot Paradise. Base ang presentation. Wala pa siguro Jude Love. Wala pa may mga ibon. Ay, naririnig ko ng mga ibon, guys. Tao di ay.
Ang mga bars. Mga paniki sila.
Naman, may nga na sa Pilipinas. Dali lang. Nasa?
Pero sa taas mo.
Oo. Dili maklaro sa video. Actually, dili siya maklaro sa video, guys. Uy, dagko siya. Uy, dili siya pare sa Pilipinas.
Nandito ang pangalan niya.
Oo, gani. Dagko siya.
Dagkugan mo.
Oh! Kuan! Kanang sakay na siya? Kat alpaka! Hala! Hello! So cute! Ah! Lari mo sila. Pang-suit lagi mo. Hello! Oh my gosh! Hala, person ako makita yun. Cute pa sila. Pang-suit. Alpaca. Guys, paano ni sila tawagon? Pimigo. Gagmay nga.
Gagmay nga goats.
Yeah. Aray sa ulahi ang color love.
Nakapunitin.
Tanaw ko siya, Drea. Yeah, ako pala sila. Dua man so brown. Asa man? Hindi na ko siya makitaan, guys. Wala ko block mo asa siya nagtatago. Okay guys, welcome to Eagle Farm. Ooh.
Ano siya?
Silver cheek. Nga na, dahil magtawag lang. So what? Ganino ako. Para labo, duwa sila, mag-asawa. Mag-asawa na sila.
Dagko kayo no?
Tiyas yung mata, uy. Hello. Can you talk? Say pangit. Ay, suplada mo naman, te. Hello. Nanta na siya, love. Hello. Gatil, kidi ang ulo ba? Mara, gidi ah.
Aray gid tanawa. Bukan.
Wow. Ooh. Katuli mo lubot. Katuli lubot.
Sa ano yun?
Yung beak.
Big. Kabura.
This one is called Kabura. Ano siya guys? I don't know kung maklaro ninyo siya. Meron siya. Oh, wala siyang masungit. Choco owl. Uy! Duha day sila labot. Pang isa sa taas oh. Ito.
Yan no.
Wala ko kita. Hari sila dari mga owl. Oh, nakakita na kong owl. Wow. Tanawa siya lalo. Picture siya sa kuha. Guys, natulog pang mga owl guys. Tanawang isa o nagapiyong gid siya oh. Ay, nagmata siya. Katulogon siya guys. Night shift sila. Love, tano yung eyes, love. Tano yung mata.
Taon.
Huh?
Bubuk away.
Bubo nga owl? Bubok owl. Ito siya guys. Oh. Mura siya statwa. Wala siya kaligo. Natug siguro. So, nato doon sa mga owl na mga area guys. But lang kung maklaro ninyo guys.
Ti na ang utak.
Guys, tapit na siya magputi guys. Sana siya uban. So, now, papunta na tayo sa Elephant Lookout.
Adri sa tapaan na to ba na?
Ooh!
Hawk.
May exhibition siya, oh.
Hawk.
Okay, oh. Is.
Grabe yung talon ko.
Malibang lang din na siya, chari.
Bakuha sa ibang.
Wow, mag-appeal siguro siya unya dito sa presentation.
Wala mas lapil dito.
Nag-practice siguro siya. Malay mo, appeal na siya.
Common Raven. Bright tayo.
Siguro mo na saan ginasugo sa unang panahon.
A vulture love.
Ooh!
Ay, tawag.
Ay, biscuit. Pakanon siya ni ate ko.
Lulakuha ang ibon na boy.
Pabo no, siguro ni vulture. Nakakay siya.
Holy shit.
Ay, kapadayaw. Nagkaon siya. Ang saan ginaguba niya? Pambuka ni. Uy, papabo na yung yung lawas.
Biko.
Ang dugo. Ang dugo na yung baba.
Karni na karni. Kachar ba yan?
Aha?
Kachar ba ni auntie? Demure kayo to?
Very demure, very mindful. Not sure ang tila sis. Naarti ka, uy. What's this? Ginagawa mo.
Malagyan siya mga basura-basura doon.
Apil lang sa iyang props.
Gusto siguro kayo sa ilahang gadgets no? Like, for example, sa mga African na ulay nectar ko.
Ah, taasag bikla po eh.
Uy, shit. Ish, kataliwis.
Matusok ka na ba?
Holy shit.
Naglo? Ano siya mga love? Mga nag-anyong pis-pis.
May imagine naman ba kung ang asong mag-anyong pisto si anak?
Nga lang yung itsura.
Ano mo?
Love, sigas. Balay ni mo love, sa Pilipinas na ni nahuli.
Nga ba?
Mga aswang sa Pilipinas.
Ano siyang kulong? Chill.
Hello. We're back.
Meow!
Ah, love.
Shit, ano siya oh?
Parang sat bang ano?
Store. Marabou store.
Wow, tangkad ah.
Ano siya?
Naka-cherry fur siguro niya.
Ano siya gili? Alat buwang ka na niya. Uy, pariyan naming hairline no?
Cotton 4K ka.
Naka-cherry first siya oh. Yung itlog sa iyang ano, sa iyang panga.
Pabo nila, pabo.
Kaisog sa'yo mo. Murag evil ano siya ba? Scientist.
Ay, gina-trash talk ko mo ha.
Ay. Pakitan ako sa'yo mo akong ulo.
Okay. Hi. Uy, yan ah. Nalaboy, dugo ng ilong mo. Siguro ikaw niya mag-present.
Magano ba dito? Pag volunteer.
Ikaw niya mag-present ha.
Remember na kung dream yung lingkod. Maglupad ang igaw.
So niya guys, another presentation sa mga birds. Tapos dali siya nga sleep. Whole day activity din niya siya. Guys, makita na kong elephant. I'm so excited. Hindi ako, kailangan para ako mag-adtog Thailand. Nasa Malaysia ba? Nasa Thailand. Hello?
Ay, mga baby.
Oh! Wow! Wala ba si pasikanta niya?
Nabigsing sila oh. Ginatulak siya.
Wow! Nice na nila. Uy!
Ang sipaon ito. Daguan.
Gadugsing sila guys. So,
Gara-gara ba?
playful kayo sila.
Hindi pag-zipa ko ni isa rin. Ako siguro nang magulang mo. Or mama.
Mama siguro.
Gapan sa akin. Talaga gapan sa mo.
Ah, dili lang murag mama ug papa nang do ka daw.
Daguan ba? Dumula eh. Nagdusipan niya.
Yeah, that's good. You can really run. The baby elephants are playing. Boom! Oh, crash. Look at them. They're running and bumping. What's this noise? Oh, headbutt.
Agad sila. Dito, pagmulo.
Ganito?
Wala ka kita nga ni sa una. Ano? Babay ka saya.
City ko tubig eh.
Mabasa.
Ang isa ginagapos niya ang ano tubig.
May rainbow guys.
Dominghoy, baulay ka.
Wala ka latoy-latoy.
Dili.
Dili sila mabusog. Dok, I love you. So guys, welcome back to Davao Eagle Farm.
Dagan ba na isip?
So demure ang ate mo. Oh fuck. Nagposing pa. Kaarte. Ayang name.
How long does the ride take?
It's about 10 minutes.
Riding a train.
Hello, good morning and welcome to the Nature Boys Scenic Railway. My name is Natalia and I'm very pleased to be your guide on the tour this morning. Now we are about to enter a 40-acre reserve which consists mostly of open woodland. The reserve acts like a natural refuge for many wild animals and birds that are native to southern Ontario. Now,
Nawang ko'y kuan.
first transcontinental railroad from 1860 station in Sacramento, California. California, as a symbol of an entry.
Fishing talaga, dala ng yung rod.
Passing over on the right-hand side, you can see this gray bird with an S-shaped neck. This is the great blue heron, as they will wait silently in the water as they stalk their prey. It's an 18,000 square foot facility, and it features there's a laboratory and research center within the birds and maintaining a very successful breeding program for the endangered species. Now, elephants do have very sensitive skin, so we will often see them tossing hay or dirt on the back to protect themselves from the sun. These animals can weigh up to 10,000 pounds and live up to 70 years old. They have the longest lifespan of any land mammal here at Safari. See an opening to our elephant lookout, roofs of houses and chimneys, and they'll actually return to the same.
Gawin, give me guys, kita niya. Ang sapos, right guys?
Are sensitive to the cold.
Nasa yung sa.
I'd be good to see our ring-tailed lemurs. And they're
Kilaw.
found only on islands of Madagascar. So considerably
Yeah.
longer than their arms, enabling them to leap 9.5 feet vertically in a single bound. They're more critically endangered. In the wild, ring-tailed lemurs can live up to 15 years. In conservation areas like here at African Safari, they can live up to 30 years. And if you look over to the right, you may be able to spot a couple of our baby lemurs revealed within the last 5 months.
Wow. Oh, it's so cute. Huh? Gampang sila.
Us black spider monkey and the black-handed spider monkey, whose rusty reddish in coloration, and slender limbs and a prehensile tail acting like a
Chillin'.
and its ability to grasp branches. And again, black thumbs allow them to move through the trees with speed and should they display
Katulilig. Lala, magbuntis. Aww. Man-made island.
fin is an impressive 2.5 meters long. And the main food for the pelican is fish.
Yung beat lang. Taas kayo.
Yo.
Sa okay, gapag bida-bida gid siya yan.
And coming up next, swinging directly in front of us, we have our white-handed gibbons. Gibbons are native to Southeast Asia and belong to a group of primates known as the lesser apes. They can vary in color from light beige to black with a white ring around their face and white hands and feet. And they are famous for their great call that you can hear now that is used as a territorial display and usually both appears ground. When they're on the ground, they walk with their arms raised for balance. And the one that you see closer on our right.
Ano si Gina? Nawa na siya. Hindi na siya makitaan.
Happy to try and answer.
Dynamic calm, guys. So ngayon po ay magda-drive na kami papunta sa mga wild animals. Samahan nyo kami. I'm so excited. Happy ko guys kayo. Nakakita ko elephant. Mga sa ganito. Katong sa Madagascar. Sige pa. Lemur. Cute ka you. Ay, two options guys. Pwede mo magsakay sa ilang bus or pwede mo mag-drive sa inyong sakyanan.
Jungle Junks.
Pero pag mag-drive mo sa inyong sakyanan guys, ano sila, drive at your own risk. Kay possible daw magasgas ang sakyanan kung magdulang mga animals. So let's go guys. Let's be excited. Lock mo?
Lock.
Ano naman?
Gusto na ako.
Kaunta sa Lion eh.
Oh my God!
Stop love.
Di mo na pwede mag-stop.
Ay, oh my God, uy. So, bawal i-open ang window, guys. So, mag-ingani lang ni. Pasensya lang ninyo, guys. Huwag mo window. Yung siyang mga pato nila dari, guys. Diba?
Hinay kayo lang may ano dali mo.
Ano siyang ginatawag na drive-thru, guys. Cheetah Conservation Center, pero wala may makita na cheetah, guys.
Wala man. Sa'yo lang ginapadugay-dugay dali kagay na nga wala man di ay.
So, pangita siguro sila po. Drive-thru tayo for today, guys. Ayan na sila, guys. Ang mga lion.
Big.
Wow, dako aoy.
Gatabi sige siya ba?
Tulo siya kung saan man. Ito wala naman dito sa peno.
Sundan na itong bintana.
Ay, oo. Wala lagi siya ikuhan katong ano siyang hair on.
Babae mo guna siya.
Yung lalaki na.
Babae na. Pag naay, pag walay ano,
Gani.
main.
Ito. Lioness. Ay, aturada ay naghigda dito ang panlabo, ang laki o. Aturada ay sila. Natuman sila, guys. Night shift siguro ni sila. Lalaki. Kira buhi pa ta dira. Unsa naman na? Parang naglihok diha. Tulog yung si Tito.
Nakuwagin oy.
Guys, it's so big. Mao siyang statwa. Kita mo tong statwa sa Temple of Leia, guys. Mao na siya. Mao na siyang inspo. Ano, diba? Klaro kayo, Temple of Leia, iyang atake. Pikit-pikit pa siya. Tulugon siya.
Yes mo gulong weather daw.
Hello. Are you okay? You're so cutesy. Asa?
Alam babae.
Tulog na sa duha. Di sila una. Di siyang likod pa isa.
Hindi ko kakita.
Sorry.
Choice.
Yawa nilag na wong laboy. Isa maklaro diri mahal. Na, unsan ni siya nahayop? Kita ni ma?
Yeah. Orange.
Kuyawan niya. Unsan ni siya kasi nahayop man?
Ari o. Mga
Masag mga kahoy. Nagkuhan sila sa kahoy.
alam.
Unsan na sila? Iboy.
Ano no, lapit-lapit lang sila ba?
Wala sa gap. Giraffe, guys! Hello! Excited ko. Bigyan ako ganang parking lot.
Oh, stretch.
Wow! Di na traffic sila. Traffic ni guys, kaya na ostrich. Lagi na si Brown.
Mga rhinoceros oh. Pero,
Gani.
pero.
Ay! Wala ko kita. Balak. Oh!
Ang dami tindog sila mo.
Init mo siguro. Na-tired sila. Wala ko yawa. Uy. Guys, tanawan ninyo. Giraffe. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Oh my gosh. Ano di ba ako giraffe? Grabe. I'm so nice. Sila nagtindog mahal. Oh.
Ish, yawa eh. Tamad sila.
Parang nagigda lang, tamad gid. Kani guys, mga rhinoceros. Miley Cyrus. Bilin pagid mong iba, bad kayo. Aww. Daga nang isa oh. Aww.
Parang wild-beast. Parang brown.
Aww. May delete nila kaunon.
Ano sa?
Para magagmay na hayop.
Herbivore mo na sila. Zebra.
Asa? Woo! Aww. Very cutesy, very demure. Nagampang sila. Hindi kaagi guys, kaya na nagtabok. Tabok ang mga pasahero. Dukuan nila. Uy, chef. Oh, that's so cute. Abi na ko tubig, damo di ay. Listen. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog.
Hindi pa tumaan dyan ako.
Ano na si zebra, na cute kaya. Oh, ganahan ko sa zebra. Ano kailang stripes, very demure. Duha lang sila zebra dire. Oh, pinakaduha lang sila. Haraday sila guys. Oh. Hello. Kamusta po? Ano pong ginagawa natin sa buhay? Mahal kasi bawal na. Kamusta po? Ano pong ginagawa natin sa buhay? Ayun, nakitaan ka. Hello! Oh my gosh. No, dili ko makapaniwala. Wow! Oh, hello! Ito ko po sa window pagka-open. Puin naman. Oh, nangyari nilang ano. Nagtabok sila sa mga tubangan guys.
Grabe no. Anong ihanda kaya ayun ang pagkabata?
O sa pagkabata.
Pagkabata sila bang ano na kaya sila stream mas nagdagpo lang sila. Pareha sa giraffe. At sa tiger.
Nice kayo. They're so cute.
Pati buntok nila oh.
Aww.
Katamit sa lubot eh dalawa. Hamon kayo.
No, mag-wild. Nadamo o gano'n. Mga something else. Guys, wala naligsa na naman ni siya guys. Saan naman eh. Okay lang. Namet. Ito siya.
Bakit gidnaw?
Siguro eh. O, pa. Ayan sila. Ala, banggaan lang sa kanan. Sagaharang lagi mo diri sa mua.
Sorry, hindi ko kabante. Traffic lang sa likod.
Pasensya na po. Meron
Pasensya
po
na
ditong ano, traffic enforcer. Miss ko sa Ilocos. Asan mo adto? Mo adto Mars. Naisa silang prints, uy. Okay, goodbye. Hello, kamusta? Sorry lang. Guys, nasaway ko guys. Sorry lang.
Joey.
Ha?
Si Joey.
Joey? Hey, ambak na sis. May sarang kangaroo guys, oh. Pakitang gilas. Kaya pakita mo kung sino ka. Gusto ko itong nag-ambak-ambak. Siya lang mo na active ko doon.
Nahuya siya. Kailangan.
Yan na, wala to siya mag-ambak.
Nahuya siya. Gatanong siya sa to.
Ano siya, stalker.
Saan mga people? Gabang video? Biglang
Oo, nag-ambak na siya. Naglakat na siya, di ba?
yatay nga.
Para naman, tindog na siya. Tindog lang man siya.
Kasi basically gusto
Ma-expose.
discover.
Ang sa
Mga
mo,
deer.
Ah, mausang.
Ang gining legit nga deer.
Okay, open mo na yung video.
Ayaw, uy, kasabanta.
Wala naman tong ano, tong zebrang sakinan. Pero makita natin yung color. Ah. Wow. Nice. See? Nice. Hippopotamus ni.
Rhino.
Hello. May gawa mo dyan, T. Yung lubot na mo ginapakita sa mua. I wanna see your face. Oh, hindi naman siya makita, guys. Ate, usa ni bull.
Mahabing ka balbon. Sa dagam sa labuk ako ako. Ano, wala.
Saan na sila?
Ang balis ka. Pangit yung sungay yun. Wala nang kadimao.
Dubuang ka.
Ano siya katindog?
Kati, unsa kati.
Gusto mo mga katindog sa gawak tumbling?
Sa pito na siya, murag dili siya.
Inusa na siya.
Yeah. Ay! Gusto mo.
Sorry. Kita na.
Araw, sa shade. Lagad sila.
Saan na siya?
I don't know.
Reindeer?
Saan na siya nakayop man?
I don't know. Digimon na siguro na.
Ah,
Digimon na to siya.
unsa to siya?
Kapibara.
Ah. Gidain to ako ni mo. Abnormal.
Wala ka pala.
Para nung reindeer. Mag-stop ka dra ah.
Di mo na sila reindeer.
Unsa day na. Basta na ay sungay reindeer na siya.
Ano ba?
Sila ba ano sila ha may sungay ba na?
Very nice. Very cutesy. Very demure.
Oh, wow! Kagwapa nila. Ayaw gi-open. Kaya basig mo nung nga, ikalit. Pero okay lang.
Picture.
National Geographic ang atake.
Ang isa bisa nga katulog gausap ah. Tapos siya oh.
So
Stop siya,
scary.
nag-stop, tapos look, tapos nag-listen. Tatabukang tao.
Tao.
Nagkuha nila lang. Manang ginahunting sa itong mga ano ba, ninunok.
Yeah. Mo siguro niyang stick. Nangihi mo. Nangihi. Ay, wala na ako. Asa naman niya kung kamo? Oh, shit. No, video ng mangihi.
Basta man lang, ano ba dyan yung mga mangi siya?
Nangihi siya. Nakita na
Kaya ano, respeto.
Nangihi siya. Paano ko yung privacy? I-invade. Wow. Guys, ito yung gising guys. Statwa si Angkulo. Di siya maggalaw-galaw.
Ano siya, statue challenge, mannequin challenge.
Nakita niya akong nangihiwala.
Ano?
Ah, tungayon ka. Imong car. Scary.
Ano, magtikwi ang sungay.
Wala, lagi siya yan naglihok yun.
Nagtikwi ang sungay, itong wala nang galihok. Ano?
Bakiki ang...
Parang kailangan niya, ano?
Kaya ako lang wala mga naglihok.
Gusto gagaya na sa loob ng bison.
Bison lang pangalan. Close your window!
Please!
Please, waluin mo kay sugudon mo nila. Wow, amazing. Pa yung face love. Oh, wait lang kayo sa
There's si Rudolph, the red-nosed layer.
Pero nag-chill pa sila sa puno. Refreshing.
Refreshing.
Tamang babad lang.
Bigla nagbato eh. Canadian Goose.
Guys, pili lang guys. Kinsa dara magpadugo silang sakyanan. Dadari oh. Oops, baka maligsan. Bakit kayo nandyan sa daan, te? Patabok-tabok ng mga ano, tunto.
Tuntong na sila.
Gapang-gupod na sila love. Yan. Ito siyang end sa mga car tour sa mga wild animals. They're so nice. Grabe. Peacock. So karon guys, matuta dito sa naa sila mga presentation. Magtanaw ta dito. Let's go. Guys, nice kay diri. Adto mo diri guys, para makita mo lahi-lahi na animals. Na-disappoint ko sa kangaroo guys, kay pag video na ko wala siya ni ambak. Ang tindog siya dito sa kilid, pag hawa na mo ni ambak siya. Amazing. Bad kaayo. Guys, it's so nice. Anong masasabi niyo guys? Comment down below kung gusto niyo pumunta kami ng Africa talaga. Okay, so now guys, nood na kami ng ano guys, show. Birds of Prey, magalauna na.
Over the fields there, they have one of the longest wingspans in the world. They also have amazing beak-to-eye coordination, so they're able to grab prey right out of the air. Now when Albert comes a little bit closer, you're gonna see he has some very attractive features. He has that beautiful balding head and that glorious double chin, as well as those gorgeous white pasty legs. Now, as much as these features may be quite attractive, they're actually very practical for Albert's survival. Now, Albert here is a scavenger, meaning he spends a lot of time with his head inside a carcass, so he doesn't have any feathers on top of his head, so he doesn't have to worry about infection. He's flying out right behind you guys there. These birds are from South America and the southern parts of the state. They hunt both ground and aerial prey. Now, you get in armor. They're covered in really thick scales. They like to hunt things that are venomous, like snakes and spiders, so they don't have to worry about being poisoned. This tail that she was just shaking for us, that they use so they're able to grab prey right out of the air there. So what happened is a rudder. They're able to go up and down and side to side. Now these birds have incredible hearing and eyesight. They have great hearing due to something called a facial disc, which is a group of feathers around his face in the shape of a heart that will actually tunnel these sound waves into his ears for the brain. So the wise old owl isn't actually that wise. Now, if you got a good look at him, you might have noticed he had some gorgeous orange eyes, and that is because Stetson is crepuscular, meaning he's gonna hunt at dawn and dusk. Bodies of water. You can find them around lakes and ponds, as well as streams and rivers, and that is because they are incredible fishermen, just like Kanai is gonna show us there. Now, in some cases, that fish is going to be a little too heavy, and what these birds have learned how to do is swim. So they're gonna take those nice long big wings that Kanai is showing us right there and use them like a paddle and actually swim all the way back to shore with that nice juicy fish in their talons. Now they do get their name because of that iconic white head, but they actually don't get this coloring until they're about 8 years old. Up until then, they're actually completely brown and look almost identical to our golden eagles. As they start to mature and age, they're going to molt out those juvenile feathers and get the nice white ones. They have their nesting lands in Europe, but they make a 9-month migration every single year down to Africa and back again. This could possibly coincide with a human pregnancy, thus giving the illusion that they are the bringer of human babies. Now, if you get a good look at him, you can see he has some nice long orange legs, and that is because he's actually a wading bird, meaning he's gonna go out into the water. You guys ready? On your mark, get set, Go! There we go. Now today, you guys are actually going to be racing against our black vultures. So if you look across the field, you'll see Donovan and Dyson. Now it may seem silly to have kids racing against such a fast bird in the sky. But these birds are actually scavengers, so they spend a lot of their life on the ground. They side of the line, and the birds are going to stay on this side. I need you all to run as fast as you possibly can without tripping and falling. If you do trip, get up really fast. We do not want the birds thinking you're roadkill. Who is rooting for our volunteers? What about our black vultures? Okay, a little bit more for the birds you met 2 seconds ago of your kids, but sounds good. Are you guys ready? On your mark, get set, go! There we go. Let's see. I don't know. It's looking pretty close. The volunteers might be taking the lead. There we go. Definitely looks like our volunteers will be winning this one. Amazing job, guys. Round of applause for our volunteers. They did incredible. To 150 kilometers per hour. If you take into consideration, a cheetah can only run 100 kilometers per hour. So they're quite a bit faster. Now, these birds hunt primarily aerial prey. So we're going to simulate that for you today by having our trainer swing around a lure that looks a lot like a bird and seeing if Lester here is able to catch it. Now what he's going to do is he's going to fly around the field, maybe even above the stands. He's trying to get a feel for the weather conditions, but he's also trying to confuse his prey as much as possible. Now in this case, his prey is our trainer's lure. So if you listen closely, you might be able to hear some bells, and that is actually to help us so we do know what direction he's going in. Now these birds have stripes underneath their eyes, very similar to a cheetah or maybe even your favorite football player. And then so they're able to look directly into the sun without blinding themselves. Now let's see if he is able to grab his lure. Here he comes. And he's got it. Now what our trainer just did by getting him to give up that lure for a piece of meat on the glove is actually the hardest thing to train in birds. Because he has worked so hard for that lure, he's not going to give it up to just anybody. So it shows just how much our birds trust us. Help of you. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the presentation today and enjoy the rest of your day on safari.
Is that a tortoise is a special kind of turtle that is more adapted to walking on land, whereas the animals that we usually refer to as turtles, in order to also escape the elements, or maybe even to raise a family in those are super helpful for them. It helps protect them from their predators. Now, they're made of the same material as your fingernails, however, they are super thick, which gives them their strength, and they're about as hard as a rock. Now, only the largest predators in their native habitat, so things like jaguars and pumas, are able to crack through that shell, whereas all other mammals don't have a strong enough bite force to crack through it. Burrows dug by the 3-banded armadillos, they're pretty small, but the burrows dug by their cousins, the 9-banded armadillo, really comfortable in that subtropical Floridian ecosystems. Now, they didn't walk all animals that are much bigger than them, so they've got a really strong bite, and they also are part of the family of whip-tail lizards, like iguanas. So when they're a little bit mad, they'll whip that tail around, and I have to admit, it doesn't feel that nice. He is an African pied crow. Now, this is the common crow species you'd see flying around in Africa, and similar to our native North American crows, they've got a really bad reputation for being gross or disgusting birds. Now, this is simply because they're often seen on roadsides feeding on our garbage and our roadkill. But that reputation that they're super gross could not be more wrong. These birds have learned to get a really nice, easy meal from us humans. In addition, while they're feeding on roadsides, they're helping eliminate. We are passionate about recycling here at Safari. We might be a little bit more biodegradable straws, from plastic to paper bags, and if you've sat on a park bench today, you might have noticed it was made out of recycled milk jugs. Now, these birds are intelligent, but they only have the intelligence of about a 5-year-old and sometimes the temperament of one as well. But we're gonna give him one last treat for coming out here, and his departing message is to always reduce, reuse, and recycle. I mean, if a crow can recycle, I think all of us can as well. And that bats get that they're all vampires that want to drink our blood, comes from only 3 species. Andy is a ball python. or as those patterns along their back help them mimic a pile of leaves. Now we're not worried for Shelby's safety as she's handling Sandy, as Sandy's not all that hungry. We actually fed her a couple misbehaved. These porcupines are native to South America and they are almost completely arboreal by nature. That prehensile tail is super handy because they can use it to add stability to their movements, and it's so strong that they can even hang from them completely if you get poked by them, which is really not true. They're made out of the same material as your fingernails, but there's little hooks on the ends called barbs, which make it really painful and difficult to remove these quills from your skin. Now, the other common myth about these quills is that they can shoot them out of their body, which again is also not true. So coming out of the box will be Annabelle, and she is a southern tamandua, also known as a lesser anteater. Maybe even some ripe fruit or some honey if she finds it, as everything she has to eat has to be smaller than the tip of your finger.
So, mo siya ang last part sa among activity, guys. After ani, guys, kay nag-ulit namin. Pero wala na ako siya na-record, guys. Kay nalobat na kong phone. Like, namatay na dyan siya, guys. Wala na siya live. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!